Truman Strike Group, a sea power ready for global challenges. USS Harry S. Truman, CVN-75, is the aircraft carrier that leads this battle group, known as the Truman Strike Group. The group is one of the most powerful and flexible units in the United States Navy, designed to deal with a wide range of threats and missions around the world. With an aircraft carrier as its command center and fighter support, the group has the ability to respond to a variety of situations, both in military operations and humanitarian missions. The Truman Strike Group consists not only of aircraft carriers, but also various other support vessels, such as destroyers, frigates, and submarines. All these ships work together as a team to achieve the same goal: sea dominance and protection of U.S. national interests. Their presence on the battlefield makes them ready to respond to threats anytime and anywhere, and the air capabilities of the Truman Strike Group are impressive. The fighters stationed aboard the USS Harry S. Truman are capable of conducting air assault, reconnaissance, and support missions to troops on the ground. These capabilities allow the group to dominate the airspace in combat and provide full support to forces operating in land or sea areas. In addition to outstanding combat power, the Truman Strike Group also has the ability to act as a tool of diplomacy. Its ships are often stationed in strategic regions, demonstrating the U.S. presence and giving a strong message to countries that could potentially challenge American interests. In many cases, the group serves as a symbol of global strength and stability. The Strike Group also plays an important role in international maritime security operations. They participate in safeguarding global trade lanes, ensuring that the oceans remain free from threats, be it piracy, terrorism, or international conflict. With its capabilities, the Truman Strike Group makes a significant contribution to global economic security. In addition to combat operations and diplomacy, the Truman Strike Group is also active in humanitarian aid and disaster relief missions. Its ships are equipped with adequate medical and logistics facilities, enabling them to provide assistance to countries affected by natural disasters or humanitarian crises. This demonstrates the flexibility and ability of this battle group to adapt to different types of situations. As part of the U.S. Navy, Truman Strike Group also plays a role in training personnel and enhancing interoperability with navies of allied nations. Joint exercises with other countries not only strengthen combat capabilities, but also strengthen diplomatic relations between countries, which is important for maintaining peace and stability in various regions of the world. The Truman Strike Group is often deployed to conflict-prone regions, such as the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Its presence in these regions is often a sign of U.S. readiness to protect its strategic interests. In some situations, the Strike Group is directly involved in military operations to support U.S. allies or respond to threats to international peace. USS Harry S. Truman was first launched in 1996 and has since become one of the symbols of the strength and resilience of the U.S. Navy. At 1,092 feet long, the aircraft carrier is one of the largest in the world and is equipped with a variety of advanced weapons systems and technologies. It is capable of operating more than 60 fighters and other support aircraft, making it a very powerful command center. The presence of Truman Strike Group in a region not only affects the balance of power at sea, but also has a great psychological impact.